Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. Sorry for the late upload again. I totally forgot about today's video until I was leaving earlier in the evening, and then it was too late. So anyways, it is 9:31 p.m. and I'm back here to tell you what I did today. And it's a lot harder to remember to make these videos when it's not at the end of the day. It's just easy to do right after work and then just clip it together right when I get home and upload it. It's super easy, but this is a lot harder because I have to look up each individual thing, look for pictures, and then remember to do it, and then all that good stuff. But anyways, so I was boxing again today, big surprise. Here's a picture from Google. So doing more switch boxes, plug boxes, and also doing some of the lights in the ceiling now. A few of them, there's only like one light in the room because it's a hotel. Surprised they even have a light, but most of them are just going to be switch plugs, which is... I hate it, but it's just cheaper for everyone and less work for me, I guess. So anyways, moving on, this is what the boxes will look like eventually with the Romex going in and stuff. This is kind of what the makeup looks like. This is one way to do it. I always do mine a little bit different, grounds, neutrals, hots, stuff like that. Some people put the little Romex labels in there, stuff like that. I've never seen that before, but I was hanging these light boxes today. They're actually black, the ones that I had, but they're basically spreader bars, 16 inches to 24 inches. You just measure off of the wall your measurement, which was like 4'10" and then off the other wall like 5'11". So I basically just pick one measurement, or pick the measurement at 4'10", and then you make a mark on both sides, and then you just slide it over to the correct depth, because when your box is, say this is 5'11" right here, you can't mount a box here, you can't mount a box there, so you have to mount it with this bar and slide it to the destination you want it, which also makes it a lot easier and a lot easier to remove with screws, so that's nice. And this picture obviously got lost, but anyways, I was going to go with this picture, but basically there are these, what they call party walls, or basically apply like a little, I don't even know what this kind of wood is anymore, but basically it's this fake plywood stuff, and they put it in between the two bedrooms or whatever, back to back. And so basically you have to take your skill saw, and you have to, once you make your marks of where the plugins go and stuff, and the switches, basically you have to take the skill saw or some other type of cutting device, and then cutting the holes into the plywood to get where to put your box in. And you usually go with the face nailer box. And so here's kind of the skill saw that I've been using right here. It's the Milwaukee. I don't know why this unloaded or whatever, but basically, okay, that's cool. That didn't work. I don't know why this isn't working, but this is the skill saw I've basically been using. I say basically a lot, I'm sorry. So it's not brushless, I don't think, but you just put a battery in there, it's cordless, and you just kind of lift up this guard right here, so that you can just have the blade spinning, and then take the guard back. So you just stick it on the wall and push it on there, and then cut out the four corners of the box, and then you can put your box on the plywood face. And also was mounting some pancake boxes, which look like this. I don't know why all my images just disappeared. So you have this little 1/2 inch little metal box, and this is for when you need to mount a box right on a stud, because to get your exact measurement, you can't put a box on the left of the stud or the right of the stud. It has to be right on it. So this is how you get it. So basically they just sheetrock around it, and then you put your wires inside of there and all that stuff, and hang your light from here. So that's how you do when a stud is in the way. You just mount this little box to the stud directly, and there's my other one. So anyways, I forgot what I was gonna say. And then basically at the beginning of the day was just unloading a bunch of materials and organizing stuff. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. But anyways, that's basically what I did today, just mounting boxes, light boxes, and yeah, I think that was about it. Now I can't remember the other thing. Yeah, so just light boxes, plug-in switch boxes, all that good stuff. And yep, I think that's about it. And shouldn't be wiring anytime soon because the roof isn't ready to go. I don't know if it's even waterproofed yet, but they haven't roofed it yet in the building I'm in. And I'm guessing still have to box out and mark and box out the 4th floor, half of the 4th floor, the 3rd floor, 2nd floor, maybe the 1st floor, but I don't think the 1st floor is even like framed or anything like that yet. So anyways, the next step after boxing would probably be drilling. And that's not that bad, but if you're doing a lot of overhead work with drills and stuff, let me just go to Google real quick and pull that up. I don't know how to use this right now, but basically if you just go here and type in the whole hog, this is kind of what it looks like. So you got your drills right here. There's cordless ones like this. I don't know why this never works. So this is kind of a whole hog. You put a battery on here at the bottom, and then you put your drill bit here and just use it to drill through these studs at the job site, which obviously you know what studs look like, which looks like this, and you just drill right through there to get your wire through to each location. So that would be the next step, would be drilling. Either sideways isn't so bad, even though you kind of have to get them all lined up. Sometimes you can laser it or stuff like that, and then otherwise you just take you can put extensions on the drill and then just stand on the ground, which makes it better than having to carry around a ladder. And then you just stand on the ground with your extensions in the drill bit, and then you just shoot up through the top of the top plates. And anyways, the only bad thing about drilling is basically getting wood chips all over you. It's kind of itchy, and if I'm wearing a beanie, then it's going to get stuck in my hat for eternity. And so that basically ruins a hat if I'm wearing a hat. So anyways, that's what would probably be coming next, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry this is so long, but hopefully you enjoyed it, and can't wait to get back to actual videos one day when I'm not working for this company, because that's one of the main downsides, is just because I can't make videos and stuff at the job site because they don't like that for some reason or whatever. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the late upload again, but thanks for watching. Check out the description for all social medias if you want to follow along on that. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. And if you want to financially support me, you can check out the description for that as well. If not, just thanks for watching. And hit the notification bell lastly if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. That is all, guys. Thanks for your time. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.